Hello everyone, I'm Yuni. I'm 20 years old. I live in North Korea. Let me introduce my Korean life. I'll make topokki today. Topokki is a little spicy, but it's my favorite snack. Then push water in the pot. And add a lot of paper paste. Paper paste and sugar powder and the sugar and the crushed onion and mix it and add soy sauce too. And include rice cake and fish cake and onion. Mix it, mix it, mix it. And wait. Wow, this looks delicious. Look at this. Wow, and then I'll try it. I'll try fish cake. It's really delicious. Thank you for watching me. See you later.